Hello friends, how are you? Manish this side. Welcome to my channel. In this video today I am going to tell you that how to endorse the skills of your connections, because most of the times I got the request, sir, that sir, please tell me how to do the skills endorsements, because most of the time they are new on the profile, so they don't know how to do the endorsements of any skills. So in this video I'm going to tell you about this by doing practically. So friends, let's just start. See, this is my profile, and for the endorsement you have to select any of your profile which you have known to, or like which of your connections. So I just selected this one, like you can check, because all these things I have already done. So see, you you just select this profile. Whenever you want to do the endorsement of any profile, just go to that profile, go to their endorsement section, skills and endorsement section. Like I have already done the endorsement of this profile, so I have to check, select another skills basically. So in this, like there is these other skills also which is mentioned on his profile, this person's profile. So whenever you have to do the endorsements of any skills of any person, so when go to that, there again I tell you, go to their profile main page, go to their downside in the skills and endorsement sections, and when you see many skills there on that profile, so you are watching in the left side the plus icon of every skills side. So you just select the plus icon. There is the options come display pop up, like how good is Muhammad at this skills basically, like on good level, on very good level, on highly skilled level. So which type of skills he knows, whatever you know about him basically. So you just have to choose in three of one of the option in between three of the options. So I just choosing good one, then press the next button. Then there's another pop-up will come in front of you, and you have to select the one single icon, single option between all these things, like how do you know about Muhammad external or discuss work together directly on the same page, have you worked with that person together, manage Muhammad directly, manage, have you managed that person directly, reported directly to Muhammad, are you reporting to that person directly, uh, and like fourth one, work together, or you work together indirectly. Indirectly means like you are working on the same group but you are not working in the similar office, like you are working on a one store and your friend that is working on the any other branches of that store or company. So like this way, have you worked together, or you heard about that person from someone other people basically, whom you know basically very good, but you don't know his name personally. So you can select, or you can select this option also, none of the above, if you don't know basically him, but he wants your endorsements, because many times I got the request, sir, please endorse my skills. So in that case, if I don't know him personally, so I have select this option and do the submit. So now you can see, like right click is right option is coming there. So now this option is, you have done the endorsement of this skills, and when you do the any endorsement of any skills person, so they got the notification also, like you did the endorsement of that person. And how you came to know about, like I am showing you, when anyone does the endorsement of your skills, so you got the notification like this. You can see in my profile, like this is the option, like this person does my endorsement of my three skills. So you got this kind of message on your notification, and you can uh, send back to them the thanks message also. So if you want to say thanks to them, just click on that icon. This is the automatically message, so you can select them and you just send them also. So this is the option procedure how to do do the endorsement of any person's skills. Hope you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.